Hello, this is Wyatt with another MINja tutorial. Today we're going to be taking this Tiger Man photo and making a 3D picture frame effect from it. And so to get started, we're going to go ahead and create 3 layers. I'm going to do Command J to duplicate the background layer. Let's call this one Tiger Man. And then I'm going to create a new layer by doing Shift Command N and calling this one frame. Now I'm going to increase the canvas size to give us a little bit of room here, so I'm going to go to Image, Canvas Size, and then let's do %. Let's go to 125. Okay. Gave us an automatic white background on our background layer. I'm going to go ahead and just hide that layer. And so to create our frame, I'm going to click on the Tiger Man layer, use our magic wand tool, click on the transparent area, and then I'm going to invert selection by going to Select, Inverse, go back to our frame layer, and then color it black. Then I'm going to contract our selection by going to Select, Modify, Contract, and then I'm going to contract it by 40 pixels. I'm then going to press the delete key to get rid of it, and voila, we have our frame. I'm going to go ahead and deselect by doing Command D. I'm going to once again make another Tiger Man layer, so I'm going to do Command J. I'm going to move this above the frame layer. And so the idea now is to cut out the actual tiger from this top layer here. And so I'm going to go ahead and pull my polygon lasso tool and then make that selection. I'll see you guys as soon as I'm done. Okay, so we have the Tiger Man cut out here. I'll go ahead and hide these outer layers. And so now we're ready to change the perspective of this frame here. And so the idea here is to make the foot and arm and part of the head appear to be popping out of the image. And so to do this, I'm going to press Command T. And then I'm going to go to Edit, Transform, and then Perspective. And so I'm going to go ahead and start changing the perspective. Let's go with the vector. So I'm going to Okay, so I've changed the perspective to what I think would look good. We're going to actually make it a little bit smaller, so I'm going to press Enter, press Control T again, or Command T, and then I'm just going to drag down on this edge. Sorry. Just trying to find what I like most. I like this one, so let's go ahead and go with this. The output might be a little bit smaller than what I want, but that's okay. So I'm going to press OK here on Enter. And then the idea is to get rid of the excess background, so we're going to do that by making a layer mask here. And to do that, I'm going to go to my magic wand tool. While on the frame, I'm going to just click on the frame. I'm going to go to my Tiger Man, and I'm going to click on Add Layer Mask. Should remove everything, never fear. We just need to go to our brush tool, change it over to white, and then color in this middle section. Okay, so you can start seeing it come together. The only thing I want to change is I want to move part of this tail to be behind the picture frame. So I'm actually going to go up to the Tiger Man copy, make another layer mask, and then just using black I'm going to color in that part. Okay. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Alright, that should help with our perspective. And now, while on this Tiger Man copy, let's go ahead and make a drop shadow. So I'm going to go to drop shadow here. Let's see. So let's go ahead and make this drop shadow 135, we'll do 10, and 18. Okay, yeah, that looks actually pretty good. So let's go ahead and press OK. And then the only thing we really need now is a background. So I'm going to go above the actual background, do a Shift Command N, do a layer 1. You can rename that to background if you like. Alright, and then background color, let's see. Let's try to match the background that's actually in here. So I'm going to pull out the eyedropper here, select the light, and one of the dark sections. Yeah, that's not too bad. And then right clicking on my paint bucket tool, I'm going to go to gradient tool. We are on linear, and we just selected the first option, which should be the foreground to the background. And then looks like the lighter section is over here, so let's do this. That was not that good. Yeah, that's not too bad. And so yeah, that looks pretty good. This is going to complete the 3D picture frame effect. If you want to improve upon it, you can always mess with the perspective of the frame. You could also try messing with the perspective of the background, leaving the tiger itself unchanged. And then you can always add some drop shadow to the frame here, or any of these number of things to make it a little bit better. But I hope this gets you off to a good start. Please leave any comments or questions below, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.